Hey Jed, I was just going to record the copying of Mary's course over to a new site that I'm going to do just so you can see what's done. It's not hard to do, so if you want to do it in the future, you can. So I'm in the practice course. You can see Mary right there. I'm actually going to go under course administration to backup. Nope. And I'm going to click on backup. And here, I'm not going to include the enrolled users. That's all like the student data. So I'm going to check that off. That makes my backup a little smaller, a little faster. And then here's a list of everything in the course. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to check none so that it's not there. Then I'm going to scroll down to Mary. Oh, I passed her apparently. Lisa, Mary, there she is. Okay. If I check her name, and looks like, okay. Let me show you a different way to do this. I can select all, and I could take off the units I don't want. That might be a little faster. It might be 6 of one, half dozen of another. But okay, so I think I've got all the units unchecked except for Mary's. Now I go and I click next, and I'm going to go ahead and click perform backup. What I'm doing is I'm just walking through this tutorial basically, and it's good. Okay, here it is right here. So I'm going to go ahead and click restore, and I am going to go continue. Now it's asking me where I want to put it. This might be the step that you can't do, and if you can, that's okay. Let me know. We can get it fixed so you can. But what you're going to do is you're going to select the category where it goes, and she is in Kemper. And when I go to Kemper, there she is. Okay, so I'm going to add it as a new course within Kemper. Click next. I don't know really what to call it, so I'm just going to call it Mary Trent's Blended Unit. That makes a little more sense than Molly Blended Units. And I'm going to go, as I said, just call it Trent Blended. No rhyme or reason to that. Just you can call it whatever you want. If you know what it should be called, go ahead and use it. But that should be good enough that a person, like when Mary's looking through, she'll know what that is. And I go through, I'm just clicking through all the different screens. And done. Okay, and there it is. Now, see it's here. Okay. One of the things that a person might want to do is have that up at the front. So we can do that. We can go in under Course Administration, Edit Settings, and change our format from one topic back to topic format. Yep, save that. When we do this, now I can go and I can turn my editing on. And as you can see now, you can drag it right here. Okay, and now she can go in, rename it, whatever she wants. If she wanted to move things into separate units, you can do that too. And that's it. Oh, one last thing. I forgot to give her permissions. So I want to go under Course Admin down to Users, Enrolled Users. So you can see nobody's enrolled, so click Enroll Users. Change this to Teacher. Look for Trent. And there she is. And finish enrolling her. And now she's a teacher in her course. That's all there is to it. Again, the big thing is, I don't know if you have permission. You'll have permission to create the backup. It's the restore part. I clicked restore, and then I said I want to restore it into the Kemper category. I don't know if you'll have the ability to do that, and if not, we can get you that ability. But I don't know how many other teachers are going to be interested in doing that. Over time, though, I think more will be. So, all right, thanks.